time to tend to the garden. Basil, overgrown. Witch's hazel, gone wild, on a shade cover that's blocking too much sun now that winter approaches. I start the trimming. Nothing to worry about here, except bees. Lots of bees. It was just a couple. Couldn't be more of an issue. Or can it? No. Back to work then. There they are. Pesky bastards. I'll just take the cover off on the other side. Gotta reach up in here to get the... Damn it! One more time. That's it. Had enough. Run like a schoolgirl. Take cover. Come back for battle.
I'm getting attacked by bees, so had to put on the long sleeve jacket and pants and hopefully smoke them out. If not, we're gonna have to give them the old vinegar and water solution, which I don't want to do. I don't want to kill the bees, I just want to disperse them, but I might have to use this if I can't trim the garden and I'm fearing for my safety. So let's see. Truly safe, but I think that'll stay there for now. Oh, looks like there's a nest. Oh, there definitely is a nest. Oh, there's a wasp's nest, or they look like wasps. I'm thinking they're either wasps or yellow jackets. I probably have to kill it. I mean, I'm putting the citronella down, but it's not doing anything really. It's not gonna get all of them away from their nest. There's a lot of bees there. All right, guys, because of the extent of the nest, the fact that there's many bees instead of just a couple, I'm gonna try to get some wasp spray. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it shoots out at a longer stream. If I just use this spray bottle, I'd have to get real close to it, and it's kind of like up in here. Kind of hesitant though, because wasp spray is like filled with chemicals and probably is gonna kill whatever I spray on it. So hopefully I don't spray the crops in the garden and like the eggplants and stuff like that. So, all right guys, so I got a wasp killer and a large stick to knock it down pretty much when all the bees have died. All right, I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to give him the stick. Kind of dying in there. Oh, there goes one. All right, guys, day 2. It's about an hour after sunrise, and hopefully the bees have all but died. All right, looks like they've abandoned the nest. Either that or they're sleeping. You can pretty much tell that it's gone, but to be extra cautious, I'm going to knock this baby into a closed garbage can lid. Let's do this quickly. measure. Looks like it went out of frame for a second, but we got it. We pretty much knocked it right out, and now it's in the sealed garbage can. Whatever small chance it had to live, it will be dead now because of the lack of oxygen. There's still some bees around, but I think that will do the trick. All right, now to the rest of the garden.